Hey everybody, so tonight I want to talk to you guys about a really quick one. It's about Roth IRAs and contributing to Roth IRAs. Now, first and foremost, for those of you that don't know what a Roth IRA is, it's basically like a 401k, but you're only able to contribute to it after tax. So traditional IRAs are when you contribute pre-tax. Basically what that means is you contribute some $1,000 during the year, and by the end of the year you're able to write off that $5,000 against your taxable income, so you're able to get a tax break. A Roth IRA, you're not able to do that, but what that means is you're able to grow that money tax-free for the rest of your life. So that means if you put $5,000 in it after tax into your Roth IRA and it grows to $1 million, you start pulling money out, and once you're in your retirement age, you won't have to pay a single dime in taxes. So one of the things that I want to draw you to, this is the government website, the Iras website, basically talking about income limits to Roth IRAs. So Roth IRAs, the issue associated with them is the fact that once you make about $122,000 or more, you have to phase out how much you actually contribute to a Roth IRA. Being said that, once you get to $137,000 or more, you can't contribute anything to a Roth IRA. There is a way around this, however, and it's something called a Roth IRA conversion. What that basically means is it's a two-step process. Some people might call it a backdoor IRA. It's 100% legal. It's basically just contributing to a traditional IRA, and before that IRA really accumulates any capital gains or anything like that, or in the case you might, gain some capital gains, you're then going to take that $5,000–6,000 in 2019 case, contact your brokerage and say, hey, I would like to do a conversion to a Roth IRA. And what that basically is going to do is it's going to take the money that you have, and if that money, that say $5,000 that you're going to move over, has gained any taxes, then you'll have to pay taxes on that. However, if you put $5,000 in the account and it grows to $10,000, but you're only going to move over, say, $5,000, then you're not going to have to pay taxes on that. However, that being said, if you have multiple traditional IRAs, and let's say 50% of them, 50% of it is, let's say, pre-tax or what have you, then you will have to pay some sort of tax before you convert to a Roth IRA. So just be wary of that. It's not game free, but if you do it fast enough, like you move it and within a couple days before you invest in anything, move it to your Roth, you should have no real issues. What I'm discussing isn't too out of the ordinary, so if you go to any of your websites like your Vanguards, you can look up Roth IRA conversions, and it'll walk you through essentially what it is and why you might want to do it. I looked at it in Charles Schwab as well, has this sort of site where you can look at it, where it's talking about Roth IRA conversions. And another thing is, if you contribute to a 401k, you could easily convert your 401k into a Roth IRA if you'd like as well. Just be wary that if you contribute to a 401k, you might be contributing pre-tax, which is fine. People do that all the time. It's just when you contribute to a Roth IRA, you're then going to have to pay a tax bill. So just be wary that maybe instead of contributing to, or say you move jobs or something, maybe you don't want to pay the tax bill, then maybe the Roth IRA is a conversion, or Roth IRA conversion isn't for you. Maybe to stick with the traditional IRA. That's something to consider. I personally use Fidelity, so I did this year myself. So I converted from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA, and I've done it over the past couple years. Fidelity makes it very easy for you to do that. It's no real issue. I personally would rather just not have to pay my taxes now, or pay my taxes now and never have to worry about them, rather than worrying about say a pre-tax or lowering my tax bill at the moment, because I feel like I can afford it right now, and who knows where I'll be, and who knows what the taxes will be in the future. So I'd rather just get it over and done with now, so I don't have to think about it, and only have to worry about my federal income tax that I make on my W-2 income. So really short one for you guys. I just wanted to get this off my chest. I feel like it's a video I've wanted to make in the past. What I was thinking was maybe I would show you guys what I actually did from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA conversion standpoint using my Fidelity accounts, but it would have taken too much time, would have had to block stuff out and what have you. So you easily can look up you know, how to convert your traditional or your traditional 401k or IRA to a Roth. It's not a big deal. The customer service is there to help you and do whatever you need. You know, I just pulled up 3 sites, but you know, you could really do it on anything. Vanguard and Fidelity and Charles Schwab, I feel like, are the largest. Combined, they, you know, probably manage $8 to $10 trillion. So I figured those 3 probably covers at least 50% of the guys that are watching this video, maybe more. So, you know, like I said, just think about it. Maybe for you, maybe not for you. Maybe you would like to take the tax cut now, which the pre-tax or the traditional IRA or 401k would be for you. I've actually thought about it myself because I'm getting into a higher tax bracket now. So, anyway. Love to hear you guys' conversations, thoughts, or anything down in the comment section below, especially about this. If this helped you, didn't help you, questions on why I do it, questions on why you should or shouldn't do it. But think about it. I'm not a I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So take this as my personal opinion and a view of what I do, not necessarily what you should do. So always do your due diligence and always make sure you talk to a certified financial advisor or certified financial planner before you make any large financial decisions or anything like that. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon.